The Joe Rogan Experience.
Something special.
So this is Wick's new guns, the Pit Viper.
How'd you get this?
I know a guy who knows a guy who shot a guy.
Couldn't think of anything more crazy for him to wipe out bad guys with than these two guns right here.
Oof. Man, that feels good. Oof. Wow.
Just shoot whatever you want, have some fun. You know, you think the recoil difference is.
Him. Oh, out. That is the smoothest gun of all time.
You like it?
That's the smoothest gun of
That
all
is the best
time.
you have ever shot.
It doesn't move.
I know.
Like, it literally doesn't move. There's no recoil.
Why? Because you're cheating. It's like doesn't move. It's so slight.
That's
It's so awesome.
100% the smoothest gun I've ever shot.
Yeah.
By far.
Look at that.
It's not even close. Look at that. Look at the results. It's not even close. Look at the groups. They're like on top of each other.
You like it?
Yes.
And this thing, it just feeds everything. It's crazy. Go ahead and try it. Just shoot any white target you want. Put it tight in your shoulder. Stand by.
It's such an amazing shotgun.
Yeah, it hasn't jammed once today.
No, it's incredible. But it's like super accurate. It's crazy powerful. The fact you could just shoot off 10 rounds like that.